class. It's me, Riazul Islam Riaz, your math teacher, Campus 3, Live Preparatory School. Previous class, my dear colleague MMR sir discussed exercise 1.3, and today I will discuss exercise 1.5. So let's go. Question number 1, multiply. Question number 1 and B, 4 whole 1 by 3 and multiplied by 27 by 32 multiplied by 4 whole 7 by 26. First of all, we will break the mixed fraction. So 4 3s are 12 and added with 1, that means 13. 27 by 32, 426, 4 into 26, that means 104. 104 added with 7, that means 111. Then cut down 13 and 13, cut down 3, cut down 27, that means 9. 9 is multiplied by 111 and divided by 26, that means 9 is multiplied by 111, that means 999 is divided by 26. So it will be converted into mixed fraction. Here is the process to break down the mixed fraction. 26, that means 38 whole 11 by 26. Okay. Our next question is question number 3. Simplify. Question number 3 and B. 3 whole 2 by 3 into 4 by 5 of 4 whole 7 by 12. Simplify means calculation, and we must follow some BODMAS rules. BODMAS rules, that means our first work is off and second work is multiply. BODMAS rules, and first work is off. So first of all, we will break the mixed fraction. 3 3s are 9, 9 added with 2, that means 11 by 3, 4 by 5, 4 12s are 48, 48 added with 7, that means 55 by 12. And first of all, we will work the off. So cut down 5 and 55, cut down, the answer is 11, and 4 is cut down 12, the answer is 3, that means 11 by 3. 11 by 3 is multiplied by 11 by 3, there is no cut down in the digit, so we will multiply it. Numerator is multiplied by numerator and denominator is multiplied by denominator. So 11 into 11, that means 121, 3 into 3, that means 9. That means we can say it must be converted into mixed fraction, and we can say the answer 13 whole 4 by 9. Our next question is question number 4. Determine the HCF or find out the HCF. Question number A. 2 whole 1 by 2 and 3 whole 1 by 3. First of all, we will break the mixed fraction. 2 2s are 4 added with 1, that means 5 by 2. 3 3s are 9 added with 1, that means 10 by 3. We know HCF of any fraction. This is the formula of finding HCF of any fraction. HCF of any fraction equals to HCF of numerator and LCM of denominator. So HCF of numerator means 5 and 10. 5 and 10 HCF, that means 5, and LCM 2 and 3 is 6. So we can say HCF of any fraction, or 2 whole 1 by 2 and 3 whole 1 by 3, HCF is 5 by 6. Our next question is question number 5. Determine the LCM or find out the LCM. And question number A. 5 whole 1 by 4, 1 whole 1 by 8. First of all, we will break the mixed fraction. Everywhere, first rules is break down the mixed fraction. 5 4s are 20 and added with 1, that means 21 by 4. 8 multiplied by 1 and added with 1, 8 ones are 8, added with 1, that means 9 by 8. We know LCM of any fraction, LCM of numerator divided by HCF of denominator. LCM of numerator, that means 21 and 9. Find out the LCM of 21 and 9. 21 and 9 LCM, that means 63. And HCF of denominator 4 and 8. 4 and 8 HCF is 4. So we can say LCM of numerator 63, HCF of denominator 4. It will be converted in mixed fraction. We can say 15 whole 3 by 4. So the answer is 15 whole. Our next question is question number 6. Question number 6 means Mr. Jamal is the owner of 7 by 18 part of his father's property. He gave 5 by 6 part of his property to his 3 children equally. Find out the amount of property of each of his children. That means Mr. Jamal is the owner of 7 by 18 part of his father's property, and he gave to his three sons 5 by 6 part. So 5 by 6 part of his father's property he got to his father's property 7 by 8 part. So we can say three sons got 5 by 6 of 7 by 8 part of his property. That means 6 8s are 48, 5 7s are 35 of his property. That means it will get three sons. And my question is, one son got how much, or how many part of property of his father's property? So three sons got 35 by 4 part of his property, and one son got, that means 3 to 1, that means decrease, so it will be divided by 3. And fraction, there is no dividing process, we will apply the fraction. So 35 by 48 divided by 3, it will be multiplied, and 3 is reverse, and reverse means 3, its denominator is 1 and it will be reversed, so 1 is numerator and 3 is denominator. So cut down, and there is no cut down in this calculation, so 35 is multiplied by 1, that means 35. 48 is multiplied by 3, that means 144 part of his property. So we can say one son got 35 by 144 part. Okay, our next question is question number 7. The product of two fraction is 48 whole 1 by. If one of the fraction is 1 whole 13 by 32, find the other fraction. So in question here is given the product of two fraction is 48 whole 1 by 8. First of all, we will break the mixed fraction as usual rules in same math. 385 by 8, and one fraction is 1 whole 13 by 32, or it will be converted into mixed fraction, it will be written as 45 by 32. Find out the other fraction. We know other fraction equals to the product of two fraction divided by one fraction. The product of two fraction means 385 divided by 8, and other fraction means 45 by 32. Here denominator is 385 by 8 and numerator is 45 by 32. That's why denominator is divided by numerator, so we can say 385 is divided by 385 by 8 is divided by 45 by 32. It will be written as together, it will be reversed. It will be reversed because fraction there is no change in division, so it will be converted into multiply. That's why 32 its upper part and 45 is lower part. So cut down 8 32 4, এখানে আমি একটা লাইন কম লিখেছি, আরেকটা লাইন লিখে দিলে ভালো হতো। তো হচ্ছে 385 by 8 divided by 45 by 32. Okay, it will be 385 divided by 8. 385 by 8 is divided by 45 by 32. Here is division, so fraction has no division, it will be converted into multiply and it will be reversed. So we can say 385 by 8 into 32 by 45. 32 is upper part, 45 is lower part, because it will be reversed and converted into multiply. 8 cut down 32, that means 4. 45 is cut down 385, 45 is cut down 5. 5 9s are 45, 385 5 3 cut করলে 77. That means 77 and 77 and 4. 77 and 4. 77 is multiplied by 4, that means 308, and numerator is 9. It will be converted into mixed fraction, and we can say 34 whole 2 by 9. Okay, thanks all, no more today, and our remaining math is 8 9 10. I will show the next class. So এই পর্যন্ত সবাই ভালো থাকবে, সুস্থ থাকবে, আর সবাই সবার জন্য দোয়া করবে, আর সবাইকে রমজানের অনেক শুভেচ্ছা। আমরা ভালোভাবে বাসায় বসে ইবাদত করব, সবাই সবার জন্য দোয়া করব, এটুকুই। নেক্সট ক্লাসে বাকি যে 2টা ম্যাথ বা 3টা ম্যাথ আছে সেটা আমি তোমাদেরকে দেখাই দেব। থ্যাঙ্কস অল।